In this video, I am going to show you how to buy and sell coins on CoinMarketCap. To buy and sell coins on CoinMarketCap, first open your preferred browser in your Windows PC by left-clicking on the browser icon. In the search bar, type CoinMarketCap and hit Enter. Left-click on the first link that appears. CoinMarketCap is a website that allows you to take a look at the history, statistics, graphs, price, and all sorts of data of all the cryptocurrencies in the blockchain. As you can see, in this website we have Bitcoin, Ethereum, and all the top cryptocurrencies. A Bitcoin, for example, is worth $67,000 in today's money. We have BNB, Solana, and Dogecoin, and all of the famous coins. As you can see, this website is very in-depth, and so we have the circulating supply, the graphs. As you can see, Bitcoin has been really low recently. We have Tether, BNB, Solana, USDC, and the graphs of all of these cryptocurrencies. You can use this website as it is also updated in life. As you can see, in the last hour, the percentage has increased by 0.6% for Bitcoin. Now it's 0.70%. This is a very respectable website in the cryptocurrency world. Now, how can we use this website to buy and sell coins? To use this website to buy and sell coins, first we need to find a respectable and profitable cryptocurrency. To find such cryptocurrency, in the top navigation bar, hover over the cryptocurrencies option. Here, left-click the ranking option under the cryptocurrency page and under the cryptocurrency section. Left-click on it. This will take you to the ranking page. Here you need to left-click the More option in the trending box. So simply left-click the More option in the top right corner. This will show you all the popular and profitable coins that are currently available. As you can see, Notcoin is the top coin that seems to be going really well in the last 7 days. We have Dog, Go to the Moon, GameStop, and all of these interesting coins right here. Let's say you go for the GameStop coin. I'm going to choose the GameStop coin for this example. Simply left-click on the coin. Here you have the price, the statistics, and everything related to the coin. This is where the graph will be shown. As you can see, it's loading. And here we have the chart, and as you can see, this is the chart of the coin, and this coin looks pretty profitable with quite a few price hikes. So I think this is a very safe coin to buy. It's worth at around $11 million. Well, 14 actually. $14 million, which is pretty high. And so this could be a safe investment. Let's say you want to buy this coin. To buy a coin, simply scroll down and you need to copy the contract code. A contract code is a unique code for a cryptocurrency. To copy this code, simply locate the contract section in the left navigation bar and copy this by left-clicking on the Copy to Crypto icon. Now you need to take this and go to a website called PancakeSwap. So simply open a new tab and type PancakeSwap. Here, make sure to left-click on the swap link from the search results. This will take you to the PancakeSwap Finance Swap page. Here you have an option to buy a cryptocurrency using another cryptocurrency. So simply left-click on this icon and paste the address, and as you can see, we have our results. Since the coin we chose is not a BNB, but this is no problem, simply go back and choose a coin that is BNB. Our coin has this MetaMask icon, so we can come here and switch it, and this is no problem. So make sure you choose a coin that supports BNB. But let's just assume that the coin we chose is BNB. If you want to sell that specific coin, simply enter the amount. So I will enter, let's say, 27, and it will tell us how many of these coins will be required to buy a 27 BNB. Now simply connect your wallet here and you buy that coin. Similarly, if you want to sell this coin, it's the same method. You simply have to swap both of these. Swapping two of these coins means that the coin that you were actually using to buy is now being used to sell. So if we were using BNN to buy the cake coin, we will actually now use the cake coin to buy the BNN coin. This is a simple and straightforward method of actually buying a coin simply by swapping the coins. So you can use one button to buy and one button to sell the coins on the same page. This is the convenient method used on the PancakeSwap website. So simply left-click this arrow icon in the middle. It will swap the coin you were actually selling to the point you were actually buying. So instead of buying BNB using cake, you're actually buying cake using BNB. So you're basically selling your BNB coin. And that's how you sell a coin using the pancakes.finance. It's a very straightforward method. Simply again, left click to connect wallet. Here, choose your wallet. So let's say we are using MetaMask or Binance. Binance is the most famous option. I will left click on the Binance option and now simply scan this QR code using your mobile application. And you can scan over the cake coin to buy your BNB coin. That's it.